Hi, how you doing? This is Steven here, also known as Ask One Mac Tech. Just want to go over MunkiAdmin. My last video, I imported the packages, and as you can see, I added the icons to the packages. But we're going to go get some software, and I'll show you how to add the icons. I downloaded. Let me go over here to Autopkgr, and I downloaded Adium. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I downloaded that software. It's a messenger. And I'm going to hit reload, and it should come in. There it is. There's Adium. I'm going to hit make and save. So, how to add an icon, because you want the icons to come up nicely in Manage Software Center. I don't have this one set up yet, but once I do, I'll show you. In the option installs area. But what you do is you want to highlight this and right click. Okay, so highlight, right click, come down here to icons and just create a new icon package. It's going to look into it's going to extract and look inside and find a icon in the package. So I'm going to extract. This is really cool. I like this. And there's our icon. We hit save, and it's going to save in the icons area right here. And we hit save, and bam, make and save. So, over here on the side, I've created some categories. They're going to come very useful in your Managed Software Center. So I'm going to create a category and a developers area for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click. And I'm just going to highlight, copy. I'm going to come right down here to categories. I'm going to hit new. I'm just going to paste in. Command V, create, new, Command V, create. And then just hit OK. And there you go. Make and save. So now we're right over here. We got, in the categories, we got a category for Adium, the installer. Down here in developers also. Cool. All right. So I just want to go over. So this area here is called packages, which I'm going to come right over here. I'm going to show you real quick. Go to the Munki repo here. Packages. And here's the apps. And there's Adium, the installer. So these are where these are all stored. Come right over here to catalogs. Now, catalogs, you're going to have a list of catalogs for your labs, for your faculty. You're going to have catalogs. So you're not going to want all these packages installed. You're not going to want all the software installed. So say you didn't want, say on this catalog, you didn't want Adium installed. So if you went over here to this manifest, okay, this is the manifest area, manifests, and you wanted to install it, you wanted to add it to the installs, right? So you have to click installs right here. You click plus, you click Adium, and you add. It should say no matching packages because it's not selected in this on this catalog. Now if you had another catalog and it was selected and you added it, it would add. So say I want to add it. So you have to make sure it's selected. I'm going to come over here to the manifest, and I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to re-add it, and it should say one matching. Boom, one matching package. You're good to go. So you're going to be able to install this on this manifest on that machine. So for this one, this is my iMac here, and it will install. Now for uninstalls, say you had Firefox on your machine, right? So you had, let's add it over here. So you had Firefox installed on your machine, but you want to uninstall it. So make sure you take it out of here, out of installs, because every time the client, the client's going to wake up, look at the Munki manifest, scan the catalogs, everything, and basically it's going to look at Firefox. Say, oh, Firefox is already installed. If there's any change, if there are updates, it's going to update. But it's going to look and say, oh, uninstall Firefox? Okay, I'm going to uninstall Firefox. So if it's over here, it's going to uninstall Firefox. So if you make, save, it's going to uninstall. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to show you that. Go to users, go back to the repo. So we're going to go to the manifest, and we're going to double click this. And so here's the catalog, testing, right? Manage installs, and of course we have Adium and Acrobat. So let me close this over here. I'm going to come right over here and show you. Manage installs. Here we go. We got Adium and Acrobat. They're going to be installed on the machine, on your client. Now, for uninstalls, it's going to be Firefox, right? So, let me move this over there. Manage uninstalls, right there. Firefox. Okay? So it's going to uninstall Firefox. Option installs, I have some apps over there. And for optional installs, you're going to have Google, Office, and Skype. So I just wanted to show you how that looks, and that's what MunkiAdmin does. Instead of doing all in the command line, MunkiAdmin does it in the GUI, which I love. So we're going to close this. Great piece of software. So we're going to take this out, and we're going to take these optional. I'll leave those there. So I'm going to set up a machine, and I'm going to make a video on show you how the Manage Center looks like and how to uninstall and reinstall software. So basically, just to recap, this is the packages area. You're going to get a list of packages, and you can go get your icons and add them. I'll do it one more time. Use, extract, and then it's going to find your icon, hit save, and it's going to know to put it in the icons folder, and you can see the list of the icons here, the PNG files. Replace, save, okay, make and save. Get in the habit of making and saving. And of course the catalogs. So if you're going to have a bunch of catalogs here, as everything built, time progresses, you're going to have a bunch of catalogs, and you're going to have a bunch of these unchecked and check. So make sure that you have the software you want checked in the certain catalogs, and your manifests. So this would be your labs, your faculty and staff. You can run it at home, all that stuff. So these are your installs. It's going to install. It's going to look into the clients are going to look at the manifest. It's going to say I need to install these two pieces of software, updates, or it's going to want to uninstall, or it's going to have option installs, which this guy comes in, which I'll show you later how this looks. Manage Software Center. So there's a quick overview on the video. I will get into later more in depth into the metadata and stuff like this, where you can set force installs after date and all that stuff. It's pretty cool. But I didn't want to make this video too long. So if you have any questions, just leave me a question. There's some links in the description where you can go to forums and ask questions, stuff like that, because I know this stuff can get confusing. But I hope this video helped you out. Okay, I will talk to you later. Bye.